Craving juicy beef mishkaki, but you don't have a grill? Worry no more. Thanks for stopping by and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making juicy beef mishkaki pan grilled with colorful bell pepper and onions. Very flavorful, simple, smoky, and perfect when you want nyama choma vibe at home using very easy ingredients. Perfect for home cooking or biashara. Let's get started. To make mishkaki, you need a beef steak. I'm going to use 500 grams beef steak, and I'll just cut them into cubes. You can start by cutting them into strip, then into cubes. Don't cut it too small. This is a perfect size because it will still shrink while grilling. Once done with the chopping, I'm gonna clean them out of camera. Back with my clean meat. Now I'm going to marinate them. And these are some of the spices I'm going to use. You can use any of your choice. Dry rosemary leaves, paprika, cumin powder, cayenne pepper, turmeric, black pepper, salt, dry thyme, garam masala. And I'm going to mix them together. Then I will add them into the bowl with the beef. Adding finely grated ginger. This is about 1 teaspoon, and I'm going to crush some garlic cloves. These are 3 cloves of garlic, and just crush them in. All the ingredients and the exact measurements are listed in the description box, so check it. And you need some lime juice, lemon juice, or even vinegar. I'm going to use juice from 1 lemon, 3 tablespoons of dark soy sauce, and 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Use your hands to mix everything well and ensure the beef is properly coated. Cover the beef and take it to your fridge and let it marinate for about 4 to 6 hours or overnight. Next, let's prep our green ingredients. I have green bell pepper, yellow and red onion. So I'm just going to cut them into chunks as I wait for my beef to marinate. Feel free to use any vegetable of your choice. I've seen some people use tomatoes and even carrot. Guys, thanks for stopping by once more. For my subscribers, thank you so much for your support, and thanks for always coming back to watch my video. And if you're coming across my video for the first time, feel most welcome. And if you find this kind of content useful, kindly consider subscribing, like and comment, and press the notification bell so that you will be notified wherever I upload a new video, and you can easily come back and watch my other videos. Watch the video up to the end. Thank you. Once done, ensure you separate the onions. Let's move to the next step, that is skewering. My beef has been in the fridge for the past 5 hours and it's ready. I'm going to use this skewer. I'll simply thread the beef onto the skewer, alternating with bell peppers and onions. This gives you color, sweetness, and juicy beef in every bite. Just ensure you give it a little space and don't stuff a lot. I'm just putting like 5 pieces of beef and alternating the bell pepper and onions. Then set aside, and we are going to continue with this until all the beef are skewered. Now my beef skewer is ready to go to the pan. Now to pan grill your mishkaki, you need a heavy pan or a grill pan. It your pan on a medium high heat. Add a little oil and spread it evenly to cover the whole grill pan. Then place the skewers on the grill pan. Arrange them well. If your pan is not straight, make sure it's at the center where the heat will distribute evenly. Lightly brush your mishkaki with vegetable oil. This will make them shiny and very appealing. Turning often as you keep an eye on it. We don't want them to get burnt. Grill them for about 8 to 12 minutes. We want the beef well browned, slightly smoky and juicy inside. The pepper should have a light char but still be crunchy. We are going to repeat this until all the skewers are nicely done. And there we have pan grilled mishkaki at home, nicely done, smoky, juicy, flavorful and very colorful, ready to serve. And the smell here is heavenly. I'm salivating. Serve with some coleslaw or kachumbari on the side. The freshness of coleslaw balances the smoky, spicy beef perfectly. You can enjoy it with potatoes fry, chapati or ugali. Perfect for lunch, dinner or weekend treats. If you enjoyed this recipe, please like the video, subscribe for more easy and tasty recipes, and let me know in the comments how you enjoy your mishkaki. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Bye bye.